Oh. Is it dangerous? No.
You just don't touch it because they are blind. And look at me. Yeah, when you make a video like this, look at me. Break a piece of bread. Here.
Oh. Gorgeous.
Look at me. Break a piece of bread.
Bread?
Break it, too big.
Okay.
Take the one forward. The one forward better.
Two.
No, take the one forward.
This
Yeah,
one?
break it.
Break it?
Yeah, because it's too big.
Okay. Is it okay?
Now, you
So,
can- yeah.
but will it bite me?
It, my friend, listen to me.
Oh.
I tell you, not care about you. Let it turn to you. Yeah.
Oh.
Because they are blind. The body don't see you, they smelling you. Play with your finger, you will pat his wings. Do like this. Move your finger up.
No. Please no.
There, I cannot jump in. Yeah, now. Play with your finger now.
Oh, it's nice.
I'm telling you. This one I have it for 28 years.
Is it possible? 20-year
He
old.
can live 60.
60 years.
Nobody have a tame one like me in the world. That's why I tell you my price. Because I get 5-star, my friend. You know what is mean a 5-star? A rich man come America can bring his family just 2 days, 3 days to the country to make a video with this bag $500 or 500 euro can give it.
Oh. It's very nice.
Russia the same.